If you're trying to create a list in AWeber but want a quick, no-nonsense guide, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your email list properly. Plus, stick around because I'll share a better alternative if you're looking for something easier and more powerful. First, log into AWeber and head to the Lists section. If it's your first time, AWeber forces you to create a list before doing anything else. Click Create a List, enter your business name, email, and a short description. Keep this clear, your subscribers will see it. Next thing, set up your from name and email address. If you're using a free email like Gmail, you might have deliverability issues. A custom domain email is better if you want your emails to avoid spam folders. Then, customize your confirmation message. AWeber is big on double opt-in by default, meaning subscribers must confirm before getting your emails. You can disable this for some forms, but not all, which can be frustrating if you want a smoother sign-up process. The next part is adding subscribers. You can manually add people, import a CSV file, or integrate a sign-up form. AWeber provides forms, but they feel outdated compared to other platforms. If you're serious about conversions, you might want to use a third-party tool. Now, automation. AWeber has basic automation, welcome emails, simple follow-ups, but if you want advanced sequences, tagging, or behavior-based automations, it's pretty limited. Compared to other tools, automation in AWeber feels clunky. Here's the issue. AWeber is reliable, but it hasn't evolved much. The interface feels old, and features like automation and form design are pretty basic compared to alternatives. So, if you're looking for an easier, more powerful alternative to AWeber that's better for building and managing email lists, check out the first link in the description. You'll get an exclusive free trial and special benefits only available through our link.